Hello, lovely people. I've got some good news. Thanks to a bunch of you who offered some advice and assistance and services for designing a PCB, I got inspired to fire up Easy EDA, which was most suggested out there, and I think I managed to do it. So let's take a real quick look, and I'm going to share these files with a few of you who offered to help, and so I can get some feedback and any advice, further advice. So here's the schematic. I brought it into Easy EDA. Well, I had to redo it in here. I maybe could have imported it, but I didn't feel like playing around with that. I did add a whole bunch of additional connectors just so we could use up the free pins for future expansion, a few extra power accesses, a few extra power, JSTs for accessories, etc. So there's the schematic. And then here's my PCB, and yes, I even threw our logo in there and my name and date and the version, which, I have to say I got a little scared when I first did this. I did not think I was going to fit it all on the board, but it looks like I managed to. I mean, this is really where I would really appreciate some feedback, because from my DIY boards, I could see that I could put two JST connectors butt up against each other and still be able to plug them in. But in this case, I decided to leave a little bit of space just in case I'm wrong about that. So if I can group them together, I mean, I really don't need to. I think it's fine like this, but you guys let me know. Same thing with my closeness to the edge of the board. And then the two microcontrollers, I'm just guessing that I'm close enough that the USB port, I'm fine if it jets out past the board a little, because if you're familiar with the project, it goes into the chassis walls anyway, can poke through, so that's no big deal. What else? Yeah, the MPU unit was the one thing I almost considered not putting there. Now, we're only using 4 pins. To be quite honest, I have no idea what you can even use the other 4 pins for. Probably not applicable to us, because I'm getting the coordinates and data we need from it without using those 4 pins. So it is an option to pull this out, put a 4-pin header here, and then you can locate this MPU wherever you want, but I do kind of like it on the board. All right, so that being said, I think it looks good, guys. And here's the coolest view. When I saw this, I was like, oh, I can't wait to print this. It's going to be really cool. Proud moment for me, guys. So if you all would mind taking a look at this, if you see anything that jumps out at you that's bad news from the amateur, let me know. Otherwise, and let's take a vote on color. Nova is obviously black, yellow, and a little bit of purple. Purple is my favorite color, and it's also my company color, which really has nothing to do with Nova, but I still would like the purple board. Now, they're a little more expensive, the purple paint, they told me, or the ink, I guess. But I'm willing to do that. So I guess if you guys go and order your own, just using my Gerber files, you can make it whatever color you want. But I'm probably going to go with purple. If not purple, yellow. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your feedback. Thanks for your advice. Thanks for taking part in this project. Pretty cool. Oh, wait a minute. You know what we're missing, guys? Holes for standoffs. Crud. Alright, I can see already that I can move this one down. I can move these 2 down. Hopefully can move these 2 up and move that one up. Alright, not a problem. So I can get those in there. Awesome. Alright, everybody. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Let's keep this project rolling. Talk to you all soon.